Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a new account on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in netflix.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Netflix website where you can sign up right from the home page. Simply enter your email address and then click on the Get Started button. You will then be taken into the next step. Click on the next button and now you will be allowed to add a password for your account. Just go ahead and type in your desired password and click on the next button. Now you will be asked to select your plan. Click on the next button and then you will be allowed to select your plan. Just look through all of the features that are available in each plan and then choose whichever option is best for you. Then click on the next button and now you will be asked to set up your payment information. You can either set up your credit or debit card and also your PayPal account. Simply click on credit or debit if you wish to proceed with this method, or click on PayPal. After choosing your selected method and entering your payment information, you can click on the I agree box and click on Start Membership to begin your membership. And as soon as you start your membership, your account will officially be verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.